Hello, we're here in a hotel, and usually in a hotel or houses you're renting, you have such a coffee maker like this that you put a coffee bag inside and the water you pour in here, and then it makes your coffee. Everybody knows these coffee makers in every hotel. There's this type and other types as well. Can you use them without having a problem of kashrut? Because the concern is that maybe they used this coffee maker to heat up things that are not permitted. Maybe coffee that has flavors that is not permitted. Maybe they pour in it soup to warm up that wasn't kosher. Can you use such a thing? So let's just analyze this. First of all, Tevilah it definitely doesn't need Tevilah in a mikveh because it doesn't belong to a Jew. And even if it does belong to a Jew, since it's a hotel, there are those that permit using such a thing without Tevilah. What about the concern that we just said that maybe they pour in there things that are not kosher? So first of all, this thing over here is made out of glass. Glass does not absorb, according to Sfaradim definitely. Ashkenazim have different opinions in it. But what about the plastic here? It could be that this plastic does absorb and therefore it becomes problematic. It could be over here also, it's made out of plastic and it absorbs right away. So the general rule in that is that anything that is usually a very far fetched chashash concern, you don't have to worry about. And the concern that they used over here, flavored coffee, is not very common because usually the hotel themselves give you some bags, and usually that's what you would use. Those bags, by the way, don't need a hechsher if there are plain coffee. So over here, as you can see, it's plain coffee. The whole thing, the ingredients, it says here, are coffee, so you don't have to worry about it and you can use it. And this is usually what's being used at those places, not anything with flavor. The concern that people have used such a thing for soup is also not very common. It's extremely not common because that's not the normal way to use such things, and especially that if in a place that offers you pots and things that you could use, so they'll use it in a normal fashion, normal way, and therefore using such a thing is permitted.